Welcome back to RVnGO.com. Today, we're walking through the steps it takes to list your RV as a host on our website. After signing in, click on the List Your RV tab at the top of your screen. From here, fill out the class and year of your RV before proceeding. Let's start with filling out the basic information of your RV. This includes number of beds, slides, the RV's length, and more. Once you're finished filling that out, proceed on to the second step. On step 2, make sure to give your RV an intriguing title to catch the guest's attention. It's also here you're going to want to go into as much detail as possible about your RV. The more you provide, the more informed a guest is, and the more likely they will decide on your RV. Finally, you also have the option on this page to list your RV for sale. To learn more about selling your RV on RVnGO.com, refer to our How to Sell Your RV video. Continuing on with the steps, choose your appropriate property rental coverage limit. Next is your price listings. This step is crucial to filling out completely and accurately. Though not every box is required, it is highly recommended to list every possible price point and fee to ensure an interested guest is informed about your RV. The same goes with the checkboxes. Check off whatever your listing allows and fill out the appropriate information and values within. A few important ones here are mileage charges, if delivery and/or one-way rentals are possible, and if your RV is pet-friendly. Most of our guests ask about pet-friendly RVs on our site, so this is an especially important box to think about. We also recommend that you fill out this information in the description box back in step 2 so the information is clearly laid out to the guest. At the bottom, you can add seasonal pricing for fluctuating rates during the spring, summer, or whenever else. You can even make it holiday specific. Just select your dates in the calendar and add the adjusted pricing. Finally, if there are any other add-ons that your RV requires but we didn't have listed above, you can create them here, list their prices, and describe what they are to the guest. The next 2 steps will ask for photos and video of your RV. This will give the guest a good idea of what they would be interested in renting. While you may not have an immediate video on hand, consider the fact a video will gain far more attraction than any photos could, as you can provide a full walkthrough of your RV. In regards to photos, we recommend the 4 outside, 4 inside rule, but honestly, you can never have too many. Last but not least, we have the Features tab. You'll want to fill this out as accurately as possible so the guest knows what they will be receiving with their rental. Simply just click on the appropriate boxes and then activate your listing at the bottom. Remember that your listing will not be activated for the public to see until 1. You have checked this box, and 2. You have filled out the banking and merchant information on your profile page. You'll just have to click Finish, and if both those final steps were completed, you should see a Listing Successful page. And that's it. You've successfully listed your RV on RVnGO.com. Congratulations! Keep an eye out for more videos regarding RV listings, and if you have any further questions regarding the RVnGO website, feel free to reach out through our email, support@RVnGO.com, or call us at 1-888-399-9505. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the road.